Hey everyone, Lucas from iExplore here, and once again I have a quick tip for you guys about autofocus, and this is a technique that I use with my Ricoh GR. It works actually with any camera that uses autofocus, so pretty much every camera out there. And basically, I'll explain it once, then I'll show you as well. When you half press the shutter, everybody knows when you half press the shutter release, it'll focus and then it'll eventually stop focusing, assuming you're on AFS or single autofocus, not a continuous mode. And then when it stops, many people will recompose. They'll focus somewhere and then turn the camera around and shoot something slightly different. Everyone knows that. And if you don't know that, that's okay. You just learned it. But there's a little more to it. Usually what happens is when people take that first photo, they focus, they recompose, they take the photo, they completely let go of the shutter, and then if they want to take another photo, they have to go back to the original place they focused and recompose again. So I see people going like back and forth for multiple shots. And you don't have to do that. If you take a picture and release the shutter but go back to the half press, it'll actually keep focus exactly where it was, allowing you to immediately take another photo with the same composition. This, of course, is extremely useful for street photography. It speeds things up and it will help you avoid missing any shots. It is irrelevant if you're using back button focus, which I do on my SLR, on my Nikon, but on this Ricoh, I don't like using back button because it's kind of uncomfortable. So if you're, for whatever reason, not using back button focus, this is a great alternative to get a very similar benefit. All right, guys, that's a quick tip for today, and thanks for watching. I hope that helped, and I'll catch you next time.